Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today, it's all about the DJI new products. We're talking about the DJI 360. So we're going to see a first camera from DJI having a 360 kind of camera. It's going to be really great. And we're having a little bit of a specification throughout here, and I'm going to share with you guys so as you can see what's happening. So first thing first, it has an amazing kind of body because it has leaked already, and it's really quite great. It will be coming with a 1-inch sensor with a 360 kind of sensor between camera angles, because you can shoot between front and back, which is really great. It will be having an 8K video capture. It will be having a 120 megapixel throughout the sensor with the resolution for ultra high res imaging, which is going to be really great. And another kind of stuff is going to be having a 4K 120 FPS video, which is really bananas through there, really amazing. And a 10-bit D-Log for the people who like that kind of flatness through the video and later on to edit on the post-production. Not only that, it's having an horizon steady 360 stabilization. So let's say we have seen it from Insta, which is really great, holding that kind of horizon steady, and it's really amazing. And another kind of stuff, it be featuring an invincible selfie stick. As some of you guys already know, so many times these kind of 360 cameras, they usually have invincible selfie sticks. Some of them they have, and there are even cheaper ones from like a Castle. I saw the 360 camera from a Castle. Man, it's so budget and it's really great. But we're gonna be seeing throughout the DJI what they really packed with. So these are really nice kind of features, I can say, and it's really great because DJI is trying to jump in throughout something different a little bit compared to its own kind of cameras and microphone and drones and all of that. Speaking about microphone, we are having a brand new DJI Mic 3. So Mic 3, it featured like a DJI Mic Mini a little bit. They made it a little bit more compact. Instead of that kind of bigger microphone, they squished it a little bit to make it more visual or more visible. How can I call it? More visual, more visible, more enhancement, I can say, and more minimal. Yeah, minimal, that sounds good. So it's really nice. They're gonna be introducing bunch of new features on that kind of microphone, but I believe they're gonna be having the Mic 2 kind of features, but a little bit different body throughout the microphone. So it's something which to consider on the DJI coming products. Another kind of stuff, we're going to be seeing a DJI Mini 5 Pro. So Mini 5 Pro is around the corner, and it's going to be having an amazing kind of roll up or re-up through the design and all of that through the sensor. It's going to be having a LiDAR, and I believe the grounds might be bigger compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro or the Mini 3 Pro. And we're going to see a little bit like a 250 grams because this kind of drone might be having more features compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. But still, I'm rocking the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and to be honest, I kind of love that drone. It's just sustained me throughout my usage and all of that. It's really great compared to how we can say throughout these kind of brand new drones. I understand they have new features, but sometimes you just look which can fit you best and which can suit you throughout different circumstances. If the DJI Mini 5 Pro comes with the 250 grams, that means possibilities of this kind of drone on rules and regulation might be a little bit hindered, or we're crossing our fingers that it's going to be a 249 grams. Same maintaining the same scenario, which is going to be really great. But overall, these are the brand new kind of DJI lineup products for coming month, and it's going to be really great through DJI what they're packed with, and we're going to see how it's going to be, and I'm going to share another video of my thoughts of the product, how it is, and how you can perhaps grab it, or you can get a good deal with the other kind of past product from them, which they do really great job. So I think that's it. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of brand new DJI product. Are you thinking about grabbing it, or are you thinking about, okay, let's wait and watch and see before I make my moves? But overall, it's really amazing. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace. you.